Hey guys, welcome to the crash course of pre-market preparation. Last time we did a summarize of everything we learned in this course, and this time I want to do a quick recap on the analysis that we made last time, so you can see the results, the analysis, and the trade that we actually took. So let's dive right to it. Like always, guys, please make sure you subscribe and like this video and channel and promote it, please. It will help us tremendously. We are building our community and hopefully you will come and trade with us. So without further ado, let's go to the charts. We are looking at the Nasdaq and the S&P. Last time we analyzed them and talked about what we can expect, what we want to see in order to trade properly for this trading day. So we talked about the NQ, the Nasdaq future on a 15-minute chart. This is the exact same thing that I showed you last time, and you can go obviously and check it out. And we covered that the Nasdaq has been trading in this channel, and we were here, right here, when we talked about him. And what we said is that the price might drop to the lower bottom of the channel, and from that point move higher. And this is exactly what it did. Went down to that channel, crossed it just with 2 bars, and went all the way up. Look how beautiful it retested here. So it broke through that, held it as support, and from that point went up all the way to the higher point of the channel. And this is exactly what we wanted to see for this trading day. This is Friday. We talked about it on Thursday, so just before the market opened. So that was a great analysis, and it helped us with the trade that we took. We will talk about it in a second. The same happened on the ES, the S&P 500. 2 things that we mentioned there. Again, the channel that it's been trading in. One thing is breaking it, retesting it, and dropping down. The other part is basically what it did, pushing higher, holding the support level, this channel, and going all the way up to the upper line of the channel. And again, since we already prepared ourselves that this might be the scenario, then it was much easier to trade when we took Facebook in this case. And we also talked about that. Basically, after we analyzing the market, we go into the scanners and finding the right stock. In case you missed those lessons, go ahead, stop this video, go ahead and watch them, and then come back to this one. Super important to keep it in order. So one of the stocks, we talked about a few stocks like Twitter, Qualcomm, and Facebook, CMCSA as well, BTU. And one of those stocks was Facebook that we analyzed. Facebook was pretty much after the earnings, so gapping up something like $30 up. And what we wanted to see from Facebook is basically move. You can see it right here. We talked about 2 options. The first one is holding this support level, and again, it was before the market opened. The gray area that you see here is the pre-market, and this is the market. So what I drew here, and you can see it also in the previous lesson, and what I said is that the price should hold this support level, and if it will go up, it should go up all the way to the 206 and then the 208, exactly where it hit, and from that point it dropped down. Now what I did, actually, I took that long right in this area. This is straight from my broker that I'm working with. And as you can see, this is the day of the Thursday. The gap up right here, it went down all the way to 194 or 92. And you can see this blue triangle. This is my entry price, and my exit, the red triangle. So I took all the way up, and the movement all the way up. So it's basically from here all the way to the 206 area. As you can see, it went up just a tiny bit, even more. But you can't really, most of the time, you can't really ride the whole trend. So that was a great trade. But I wouldn't do that unless I would have prepared myself to this specific stock. And if you will go and watch those videos and practice them, you will see that you can actually choose pretty nicely and pretty easily those stocks to trade every day. And as you can see, there is also a level that I marked here in the previous lesson. So you can go and see that recording, and we marked that on 194.50. It went all the way down, held that support level, and from that point I entered right here. So when you prepare yourself to the trading session with the levels and with the drawing, the building scenarios, analyzing the market, understanding the news that pushing the sentiment that push the stock, then you can easily execute the trade and find those spots to get in the trade as well. Without a quality market preparation, you are basically gambling. So make sure you start your day by preparing yourself, analyzing the market, watching the news, finding the right stocks, analyzing those stocks as we did in the previous lessons, and only then go ahead and trade. It will tremendously increase your success in this field that called trading if you'll do so. So I hope you guys like this video. If so, please like it. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.